So we'll do one more example. Okay, so let's say, what is the derivative of q of x equals 3x to the power of 7x at x equals 2. Okay. Now, me personally, I usually just replace like q of x with y just to make it easier. So I just made it y equals 3x to the 7x. It's easier to drag y all around than q of x. Okay, so remember your first step is you're going to apply natural log to both sides. Okay. So you get the natural log of y equals the natural log of 3x to the power 7x. Okay. And then you just apply the power rule for logarithms. Okay, which brings us to our second step. So you have natural log of y equals, bring that 7x down to the front. Natural log of 3x. Okay. Now our third step, we differentiate both sides. So you have the derivative with respect to x of natural log of y equals the derivative with respect to x of 7x times natural log of x.
Shouldn't it be ln of 3x? 7x?
Oh, yep, 3x, thank you. Okay, so we know that the derivative of natural log is 1 over x. So derivative with respect to x of natural log of y is 1 over y times your y prime, or dy dx, equals, and here we're going to have to use the product rule for derivatives again. Okay, so you have the first times the derivative of the second, which is natural log of 3x, plus the second, close that up, times the derivative of the first. Okay, move that over just a smidgen. So we have 1 over y times our dy dx equals 7x. And remember, for this one, your g of x is 3x, and your g prime of x is 3. So remember, that's g prime over g, so that's 3 over 3x. Make a little square to block that off. Plus natural log of 3x. Derivative of 7x is just 7. Okay, so here the 3's actually cancel out, and also those two x's cancel out. So there you're left with just 7. So 1 over y times dy dx is equal to 7 plus 7 times the natural log of 3x. Okay. So now we just multiply both sides by y, which is your fourth step. That leaves you with dy dx equals y times 7 plus 7 natural log of 3x. Okay. And remember, we're just going to replace our y with our 3x to the power of 7x. Bring that up a little bit. So you have 3x to the power of 7x times 7 plus natural log of 3x as your derivative. Okay. But remember, we still have to plug in our x equals 2. So at x equals 2, our derivative is equal to 3 times 2 times 7 times 2 times 7 plus natural log of 3 times 2, which is equal to 6 to the power of 14 times 7 plus natural log of 6. Okay, so that would be your final answer. Yes?
So if the exponent didn't have an x in it, we could have avoided the product rule in this one?
If the...
Yes.
You mean where the y, this one?
Yeah, that one. So if that was just 3x to the 7, we wouldn't have had to do the product.
Oh, no, yep, you wouldn't have had to do all that.
Okay.
Yep, so that's only when you have a function raised to the power of a function.
Okay.
Yep. All right.
So going down
Oh, sorry
a
about
little
that.
bit. No, it's fine. So 2 lines up from your answer line,
Mhm.
y times 7 plus 7 natural log of 3x,
Mhm.
and then 1 down, you dropped the 7 in front of the natural log.
Oh, I did. Oh, didn't even notice.
Okay. So you didn't factor it out or anything.
Yeah, but I was just me moving a little too fast.
Okay.
Yep, so it should be plus 7. So everywhere there's a natural log of 3x, it should be a 7 there. I don't know why I keep doing that. I waste all that room up here and have to squeeze everything at the end. 7 plus 7 natural log of x is 7 plus 7 natural log of 6. There we go. All right, any other questions on this one? All right, and actually that is it for today. Okay, so your second exam will be next week, next Wednesday. So the practice questions have already been uploaded. And actually the practice questions, the answer key, and you have an additional one showing like how to solve each one. So hopefully they help. All right, and did everyone sign in? Oh, thank you. Okay, if you signed in, I'll see you on